Welcome back. Paso Robles is the latest city on the Central Coast to declare a homeless shelter crisis. San Luis Obispo County declared a crisis earlier this month. It turns out there is a cause for concern when it comes to crime among the homeless as well. Scott Daniels has the numbers.
Through a Public Act records request, I found out more than 120 people have been booked in the San Luis Obispo County Jail more than 10 times over the last 2 years. That's 125 people getting arrested over and over and over again.
It's a long list of various crimes ranging from petty theft to assault and battery. But who is behind these offenses? The sheriff's office couldn't give me exact names or addresses, but it's clear when you talk to those on the front lines of this crisis.
125 people have been arrested 10 times or more over the last 2 years. Does that number stand out to you?
It is not an unfamiliar number to me. I will tell you that.
Janet Nichols is the executive director with the 5 Cities Homeless Coalition. She regularly assigns case managers, or who she calls coaches or mentors, to inmates who are homeless. It's a painstaking process to reduce recidivism rates.
We may pay for them to go to a treatment facility. We may pay for social or sober living.
During a Slow City homelessness panel over the summer, Police Chief Deanna Cantrell said the top 10 offenders in San Luis Obispo were charged a total of 470 times in a 12-month period.
Inside, the number one guy was cited 45 times for alcohol violations, and 45 times in a year. And so we're doing it. We're doing the enforcement. Know that we are. And we're also trying education and getting them in services where we can. But if there's resistance to that, we can't force people into services.
At the same meeting, Undersheriff Tim Olivas explained the community action team's desire to work with the area's homeless population and enforcement's role in recovery.
Homelessness is not a crime, but obviously there's oftentimes some mental health issues or substance abuse issues that coincide with homelessness that result into an enforcement action.
The Honor Farm is always doing projects to support ECHO and the people we help.
Another route for recovery leads to ECHO Homeless Shelter in Atascadero. It provides a home for 90 days as a safety net for those committed to getting back on their feet. But its CEO, Wendy Lewis, says it's simply not enough for the county.
If there's over 1,100 people who are facing homelessness and there's only 160 beds, there's not enough resources for that population.
Janet Nichols says when someone has a drug or alcohol problem, jail time can break that habit up.
This is a time when their routine has been disrupted, and it's a time for us to be able to talk to them and perhaps engage them in a conversation that we couldn't otherwise have.
A conversation that's expected to continue as more cities on the Central Coast declare a homeless shelter crisis for their area. Scott Daniels, KSBY News.
Our thanks to Scott. The Sheriff's Department says it costs $152.73 to house an inmate for just one day at the jail. That includes about $22 for medical treatment.